Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. 2019. I was at my local card store yesterday and I picked up 2 of these for $2 a piece. So let's go ahead and open them. These are the Crown Royal, 2002 Crown Royal. Roberto Luongo. Cliff Ronning. There's one for the PC here. Oh, look at that. 2 for the PC here. Brian Savage. Yannick Perreault. Manny Fernandez. Jim Dowd. Steve Hines. He likes his ketchup. Adam Deadmarsh. He's played for the Quebec Nordiques / Colorado Avalanche. Ryan Smith. Daniel Cleary. Anson Carter. Brendan Shanahan. Luke Robitaille. Rob Blake. Sammy Kapanen. And Brett Hall on the Detroit Red Wings outfit. Or uniform, I should say. And now we're on to pack 2. I got this because Ray Bourque. Gotta like Ray Bourque. Don't like Boston, but you gotta like Ray Bourque. Ray Bourque. What year is this actually? 2013-14 Panini Select. Ray Bourque, Alexander Burrows, Bobby Ryan, Ben Bishop, Semyon Varlamov, Nicholas Backstrom, Steve Ott, Chris Chelios, Derek Brassard, Alex Pietrangelo. There's another guy out there that collects this that has a YouTube channel. I forget his name though. Collects Pietrangelo cards. Cody Hodgson. And last but not least, Vinny Lecavalier. Alright, once again, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody.